Hey guys, it's Petra here from BigIncomeParadise.com, and in this video I will show you how to use this top 5 converting ads and basically how to use your bonuses. And by the way, I added some extra bonuses here so that you will know how to set all of this up. Now, first things first, you probably clicked on this link because you're watching this video. Second, you should join my Facebook group where I share a lot of knowledge, a lot of tips, strategies, how to market yourself, and so on. Okay, but before you click here and send a request, read this part and listen to me right now, because I get so many requests and they, people don't answer the 3 questions that I put there. Okay, so make sure to answer the 3 entry questions in order to be accepted. Those who won't, I will not accept you. Okay, just to make sure. So extra bonuses, I put here a free way how to make a website so that you are going to put your training video on. Okay, so you saw my video, you saw how to do this copy and paste method. Okay, and you are going to have to do the video. Okay, because you promised your people, so your leads, you promised them you're going to give them the training, right? So I will show you in this video how to do it in a free way. So how to set up your website where you're going to put the training on. Now, I also give you this longer version about professional landing pages and capturing your leads with autoresponder, where you have all the power over your leads and emails. Because in Lead Lightning, you collect leads, but you cannot change the emails that they set up, okay? That's why I show you, if you want to really be more professional in your business, which I really recommend, because when I started taking my business seriously and more professional, when I became more professional, that's when I started seeing great results, okay? Before, I was making $700 per month at my job. Now I can do this in a day. So this changed my life, okay? When I started showing myself as a professional, everything changed. So yeah, this video is quite long. I think it's 45 minutes, but I show you from start to finish how to do it, okay? So watch it and start taking your business seriously, okay? So I always include a free way and a paid way. If you read this, this is not a free way, okay? You're gonna have to pay for landing pages and for autoresponder. That's how it is. If you are in business, don't think that business is free, because it's not. That's why I always include a free way and a paid version, which is more professional. Okay, now let's move on. So here are all the 5 posts that I promised to give you, okay? How do you use them? Just copy, paste it in Facebook, and then when you want to add a picture, just click under all the posts, all the ads, there's a link, okay? Not this, but this, and this underneath, okay? And here, and so on. So you click here, it's gonna send you to the picture that you're just gonna copy, okay? You can download it and have it on your computer and then upload it when you're making posts on Facebook, but you can just copy the image and then paste it in the post, okay? And it's gonna be there. So that's how you do it. Copy this, paste it in Facebook, click on this, copy the image, paste it in Facebook, and just press enter to post in Facebook. Now, again, I don't know if you forgot, or maybe you didn't listen closely or whatever. I really want to make sure that you know this part. You have to post in 3 groups and then stop and wait, okay? I really want you to listen closely, because some people come to me and say, oh my God, I end up in Facebook jail. That's what happens if you post this in the 20 groups at a time. So post one post, let's say you post this one in one group, and the other, and the third one, okay? Then stop and just wait for people to comment, and then you respond to them, okay? Watch the training video again to make sure that you're gonna do it the right way. I don't want to see you in Facebook jail, okay? So that's how you use the posts. Now, here's how you respond to people when you start messaging them, okay? So first of all, you ask them to PM you if you're using your personal profile. Why? Because if there's gonna be 100 people who will want information, and you will want to, you will reach out to all 100 of them, Facebook can again, block you. So ask them to PM you. If you're using your own business page, so fan page, okay, there you can reach out to people, okay? But like I said, tell them to PM you. Just say, hey, contact me, or hey, PM me if you're interested, and always tag people in the comments, okay? So how to tag, I'm gonna show you quickly on my Facebook. I'm just gonna show you on my post, okay? So let's say I want to tag Angelo. I just do @Angelo, and I just select him. That's how he's gonna get a notification that I tagged him, okay? So that's what you should do. Tag them and say, hey, PM me for more information. And they are gonna PM you. Now, another thing that I want you to be focused on, when you go under messages, you are gonna get messages in here. So don't click this, click message requests. You're gonna get messages here, or you can get messages in filtered messages, okay? So go under message requests and check this out too. You're gonna get messages here, so you respond, and then check the filtered messages and respond, okay? That's how you do it. If you're using your fan page, probably you know how to respond in your inbox, right? So just do that. If you have any questions, let me know. I am here for you, okay? Now, the next thing is when you message them or they message you that they want to have more information, just send them a voice message or a text, okay, in Messenger. So you can just, if you do a voice message, it's more personal, okay? How to send a voice message and what to say, you just read this, okay? Just make sure that you do not sound like a robot. If you don't want to use voice messages, then first what you do is copy this and paste it in the Messenger. Then wait 5 to 10 seconds and then copy the second part, okay, and paste it in Messenger. Why? Because if you copy all of this, first of all, there's gonna be number 4 here. It doesn't make sense, right? Plus, it's gonna be a really long message and probably they won't even read it because, let's face it, we are mostly lazy people, right? So make sure that you copy and paste the first part, then wait a little bit, then copy and paste the second part, okay? Then you insert your link, which you're gonna learn how to do this website here and here, okay? Watch both of the videos. Yes, they're a little bit long, but if you want to get all the information, I had to do it like that, okay? So you paste your link there, and then you tell them, the last part is super necessary, tell them you are gonna reach, they should reach out for any questions that they may have, okay? So you have to do this. Why? Because you show them you are there for them, you care about them, okay? So it's not always about the money, okay? It's about you helping them, showing that you care. So, okay, thank you for watching this video. Now start with step number 1, then watch these videos and then start doing this. If you need me, you know where to get me, you know how to contact me, and let's do this, okay? And if you have great results with this technique, with this method, let me know in the messenger. I always love hearing about your success stories, okay? So see you next time and talk to you soon. Bye.